So guys, today I am going to review a software called Checkout Maximixer. If I give you an overview of this product, then basically it is a WordPress plugin that gives you tons of traffic and visitors to your website or blog or anything you want. So as per their claim, what you can do is just install it, then log into it, and then enter any WordPress link or blog post link, anything you want, and that's it. Now you can your enjoy because your conversion will increase. Okay, and if you purchase this from my link, then I'll give you a bonus which is related to how to get traffic. Okay, so for bonuses, what you can do is just send me a screenshot on my Instagram of your purchase of this product. Check out Maximixer, which you must do with my link, then only I'll give you a bonus on my Instagram. Okay, so if we take a look here, then secret new software that converts thousands x times more in just one click. Okay, so converts 1000x more in just one click, increase buyer experience, generate viral buyer traffic. You can add premium buy buttons, you can edit upsell checkout pages, works in any niche you want, achieve financial freedom on $200 per day. Okay, get Checkout Maximixer at a one-time price $17 just. Okay, some awesome results get from a beta tester. These are the results. Okay, emails flooded with commissions notification after installing Checkout Maximixer. Real life results with Checkout Maximixer. These are the testimonials. Okay, you are just 3 steps away. The step 1 is install this secret WordPress plugin. Step 2 is login and enter any click, website or funnel where you want traffic sent to. Step 3 is that's it. Now you can see your conversion increased thousands time more. Okay, that's it. Just 3 steps from living a life of your dream. Okay, so here is the owner. Okay, and this is, if you are blogger and marketer, this will help for you. Okay, so if we go down, then life changing amounts of money, you can see the results. Okay, and if we go down, then introducing a Checkout Maximixer. Okay, so a simple effective tool that will unlock more profits and more sales today, and it will only take you just a few clicks of your mouse. Okay, so if we go down, then these are the incredible features in Checkout Maximixer. One click order from Maximixer, viral traffic at your fingertips, offer cash discounts easily, jaw dropping high quality custom made graphics that are proven to convert, WordPress Checkout Maximixer, and much more. Okay, the coolest part is that you can achieve all of this and much more with just a few clicks of your mouse. Everything you need for unstoppable success included 100% fresh new Checkout Maximixer software, step by step guide. Okay, 5 ways to make $500 daily with Checkout Maximixer. Okay, and they were not stopping there. Also, bonus, free bonus number 1, ebook maker software. Okay, free bonus number 2, page takeover WordPress plugin. Free bonus number 3, easy launcher WordPress plugin. Free bonus number 4, engage plus software. Okay, free bonus number 5, slideshow master WordPress plugin. Free bonus number 6, swift page WordPress plugin. Those are the 6 bonuses that you will get for completely free. Okay, here is a list of everything what you are getting today with Checkout Maximixer. Okay, brand new Checkout Maximixer software, step by step training, 5 ways to make a $500 daily guide, world class support team, free bonus number 1, bonus number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, get results and get paid $200 per day, 30 days money back guarantee. The total value of everything is you get today is $10,964, but today you will get only just $17. So just check it out, and you also get a 30-day ironclad money back guarantee. Okay, so try it for 30 days, which is 1 month complete, and if you are not completely jazzed up with, then all good, let them know and they'll refund your money without asking questions. Okay, so we cover this, and you get only for $17. Okay, so if you want to purchase this, then link given in the description, and if you purchase this from my link, then I'll give you a bonus, okay, for free. Okay, and bonus is how to get a traffic. Okay, and for bonus what you can do is just send me a screenshot, okay, on my Instagram of your purchase, okay, and I'll give you a bonus on my Instagram for the checkout maxi mixer.